Them 7 time rise, 7 time fall. Sunday ambulance. Oh God, I don't pray for that.
So repent, bitch. We don't want to hear nothing until you apologize to the people. And you have the bomber clot nerves asking the same people, for what? Pray for you? Your fees and prayers there for free.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and it's the dog gone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Livefoot TV, which I give thanks to life and I give thanks to another day, the 1st of March. Yes, man. Anyone there, nothing but love and blessings and respect. Seeing? Yeah, man, you know, we always kick off the show, but we can't start it without saying diversity, equity, empathy, love, unity, strength, inclusion. And thank you all for your continuous support. You see it? Yeah, man, why we keep it real on the back of you. You see me? So, Queenie is in hospital, and you know what I mean? She's asking for prayers. We see a lot of friction going on with RT and Dowey, her husband. You know, we see Amari speaking out. Ask Queenie to repent. Zine and Amari, big up Amari because she talks some facts still. Me see she and Queenie did good, but Amari is talking and then she said Queenie to repent. You see me? And how Amari talk, I respect how she talk because she talk facts. You see me? And think I don't know none of them business, but I know say Amari speak. Yeah man, she spoke, you know, with factual intelligence. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, so I'm going to hear what I'm going on. But before that, I don't know, as usual, I remind you, please go check out my EP, you know, Welcome to Kingston. It's out on all digital platforms. As you may say, so we are forward.
Welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Larmobile, you must take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go!
Yes, man, so welcome to Kingston, out on all platforms. Saying, if you haven't checked out Kingston yet, you're in a country, you might come check out Kingston, some nice place down there, you know. If you're a tourist, or you travel to Moby or St. Elizabeth or Roche, you must make sure you come check out Kingston. That's the party there, is it? Yeah, man. Anyway, Queenie hospitalized and, you know, RT go look for her and thing. Big up RT, because RT prove that he's a man with compassion, you know. And him take friendship, so him go look for Queenie. That are the main thing. Him fly down and go look for her. You see me? Him not care what do we want to say. You see it?
Appendix, I'm feeling happy. Yeah, appendix rupture. Sick fall. Oh God is here, bro. You don't have to trade them 7 time rise. 7 time fall. Sunday ambulance. Oh God, I don't pray for that. Pray for my daughter.
Yes, you hear from the Queen herself. Said her illness is an appendix rupture. You see, so I had a look up on the internet and saw the overview, the symptoms, and the treatments. So I'm going to read them out to and thing, and I mean, so they can get a clear understanding of, you know, yes, man, appendix. Is it? Yeah, man. A burst appendix, also called ruptured appendix, spreads infection throughout the abdomen, a condition called peritonitis, possibly life-threatening. This condition requires immediate surgery to remove the appendix and clean the abdomen cavity, a pocket of pus that forms in the abdomen. Wow, so your sister Queenie, she really need urgent surgery, and you know, RT prophecy prediction was right. Also Amari, you see me? So moving on now to the overview. Appendicitis is an inflammation of the appendix, a small pouch connected to your large intestine. Appendicitis usually causes pain that starts in the middle of your tummy before moving towards the lower right side. If you have appendicitis, you'll usually need surgery to remove your appendix as soon as possible. Yes, man, so you see, Queenie urgently need surgery. And, you know, give her prayers. She asks for prayers, you know what I mean? Yes, so channel star, you know, not look good, but you know, prayers. Yes, man, so that was the overview. Now this is the symptoms. Appendicitis usually causes pain that starts in the middle of your tummy before moving towards the lower right side. Appendicitis typically starts with a pain in the middle of your tummy, abdomen that may comes and go within hours. The pain travels to the lower right hand side where the appendix usually lies and becomes constant and severe. Pressing on this area may cause coughing, or walking may make the pain worse. So if you cough and walk, may make the pain worse, you know. You may lose your appetite, feel sick, and have complications or diarrhea. So basically, you see why Queenie says she having diarrhea. She couldn't stop poo, you know what I mean, and wee and all of them things there. And they make you cough a lot, you know. So those are the symptoms. So anybody, this is very vital and useful for you. You know what I mean? Yes, man. So now we're gonna look at the treatments. Zine, if you have appendicitis, it's likely your appendix will need to be removed as soon as possible. So you see, Queenie need urgent surgery. You can't take them things lightly, you know. Removal of the appendix, known as an appendicectomy or appendectomy, is one of the most common operations in the UK, and its success rate is excellent. So in the UK, the success rate is excellent of the treatment. Success rate is excellent. So I'm sorry I'm not England Queenie the star for do that treatment. You know, Jamaica, them don't really have the resource, and we not put them down in the butt. Them lack of basic, you know, the doctor them sometimes. No disrespect to Jamaica still, but you know, yeah man. So that's Queenie urgently needs surgery, and you should ask for prayer. And the symptoms were read out, or where Queenie said she did out. You know what I mean? Like she couldn't stop defecating and weeing and coughing and all of them things they're saying. But you know, we have Amari now asked Queenie to repent. You see me? And Amari, she said some things and her fact she talk, because you see me fact she talk. You see me I say, so I'm going to hear what Amari I say, and you know? Yeah man. Big up on yourself. Hear what Amari I say.
Them come here and them don't talk about Jesus. They curse Jesus. They curse him in so many ways. You, Queen Lady Gangster, will warm up your foot online and show people under your punani. And even warm up your battle hole and them gimmicks where you're go on with. And then when you go on your bed, you say, Jesus, Jesus. But you don't want the world to call upon Jesus. And feel say you have God like a fool. Remember that Queen Lady Gangster claimed that her daughter died from cancer. Such a young girl. So it is something that runs in the family. Paisoko Balingrene. She have lost so many followers. Even in this time of sickness, people want to separate themselves from her. Pink Wall just released a report. They say we will no longer feature Queen Lady Gangster. We are archiving all videos because she have dogged her fans and dogged everyone around here. When I look where the Star reported that she's going in for an operation, where I look, people was like, we don't care. So you live your life. The seeds that you plant, the seeds you sow. The people have been there with you all along. And your man come back home and you diss them like a dog and tell them to come off of your page. Them no need to follow you. And if it kiss and if it suck out, you go as far as to tell them to suck out your nose hole. Suck out your button hole. Suck out underneath you. Come on now, man. These people happens to be credible, respectable people. Sting told you that the people that ask for Queenie and Amari are people up there in society. That they were even shocked. They didn't know that these people listen to us. Eh? And you come by here, you tell people who work at bank, you tell police officer, you tell all kind of levels people to suck out your nose hole. Who the fuck you think you are? Remember me telling you, the operation, I don't see no problem with that. After the operation, you will go down, 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 down unless you repent, bitch. Repent. Repent to my God. Repent to my fans and your fans. Repent to the people. Because we have no reason to be here if we are not here to serve the people. You not hear what me say? Me say, you, me, nobody have no reason to have a platform unless they are here for the people. And we cannot remain here unless we are backed by the people. So repent, bitch. We don't want to hear nothing until you apologize to the people. And you have the bomber clot nerves asking the same people, for what? Pray for you? You feel the prayers they are for free. So how you gonna disrespect the people and ask the same people to pray for you? Even if they did, the prayers would not go through. Apologize. You're up on your bed and you have enough strength to say what go on with you. Because what they do because they have an intention. Because even in the midst of your catastrophe, you still want hype, you still want fame, you still want camera upon you, you still want everybody to talk about you. Yeah? Now Queenie is in the hospital. They don't care.
Wow. Well, me have to say, well spoken, Amari. You know, Queenie is in hospital, so prayers for Queenie still, see? But Amari talking facts. You know, Amari is saying Queenie disrespected the fans and who made her. And for Pinkwall to say they're not going to post nothing more for Queenie, you must know. Because since Dowey came back, Queenie this up the people, them wicked still. But you know, Queenie that, you know what I mean? And she has a woman power, and you know, a lot of women were upset that she took back Dowey based on how him treat her. But I don't know husband and wife sitting, lion foot on the basis tonight, but I understand everything with Amari I say. You can't deal with the fans them so because of the fans them billion. When an artist go viral or a dancer, the fans them make it go viral. The fans them make the artists them start booking, they get booking on them things. They say you love your fans and respect your fans them, and you know. So Amari is just asking for Queenie to apologize and repent. Viewers and subscribers, me not see nothing wrong with that. Apologize and repent. Yes, man. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. A Lionfoot, big up on yourself. Big up Queenie, big up Amari, big up RT Boss, the Unpint Boss. And big up Lionfoot fans them. Blessed love.
Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Pussy Tuesday, boom boom I represent. Can't tire the dancer, check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%.